Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian alert system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Come test drive the 2017 Bolt EV. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, navigation from telematics, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.